Fires in homes and buildings can release dangerous chemicals and particulates into the air through the combustion of materials. These can pose serious health risks if not properly remediated. Smoke contains carbon monoxide, soot, and other irritants that can cause breathing problems, headaches, nausea, and lung damage. Long-term exposure may increase cancer risk. Toxins like cyanide, benzene, and formaldehyde are released from burning plastics, wiring, and furniture. Exposure can damage the nervous system, liver, and kidneys. Bioaerosols like mold, bacteria, and allergens are spread by smoke and moisture. They can trigger allergic reactions and respiratory issues. Particulates from burnt debris can irritate eyes and skin. Fine particles may penetrate deep into the lungs. Beyond the smoke and soot, fires create additional hazards that require remediation. Odors from smoke can permeate soft furnishings, drywall, and ventilation systems. Proper cleaning and sealing is necessary to remove odors. Structural damage like warped floors and walls, broken glass, and roof collapse needs repair to ensure structural integrity and safety. Burnt wiring, outlets, and electrical systems are fire and shock hazards until replaced. Compromised gas, water, and sewage lines need to be properly capped and repaired after a fire. Weakened building materials and structures may need reinforcement or demolition to prevent collapse. Professional remediation involves extensive cleaning, repairs, and restoration. Contents cleaning. Smoke and soot is removed from salvageable belongings using full immersion cleaning. Air scrubbers help remove particulates. Surface cleaning. All affected surfaces are thoroughly cleaned and deodorized. Cleaning methods like ultrasonic cleaning remove soot from electronics. Structural drying. Moisture meters pinpoint wet areas. Equipment like dehumidifiers control humidity to dry structures and prevent mold growth. Demolition. Unsafe structures and materials are safely removed and disposed of. Areas are cleared for rebuilding. Reconstruction. Damaged structural elements, flooring, drywall, and finishes are removed and replaced. Documenting damage and repairs is vital for insurance claims. Proper remediation removes health hazards while preserving and restoring the structure. Trusting fire damage repair to qualified professionals ensures the safety of inhabitants.